Hi everybody, welcome to your weekend edition of E Prime. I'm Adrian. Mixed signals this evening following news of an increase in visa fees for international artists to tour in the United States. On April 1, the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services instituted a 250% visa fee increase for global musicians hoping to tour in the country. AP News reported that artists will now have to pay anywhere between US $1,615 to $1,655, a massive increase from $460. Bands and ensembles will pay as a performer. And if you can't wait for a few months for approval, then add $2,805 per application for expedited processing. This has sparked concerns in the local entertainment scene. A big blow is how spokesperson for the Jamaica Association of Vintage Artists and Affiliates, Frankie Campbell, describes the increase in an interview with the Gleaner, stating that 250% increase in anything is huge, and this doesn't take into consideration that you have to get a lawyer in the US to first file for you before the process can even begin. So that's an additional cost going on the now increased fees. Now, local artists have also expressed concerns with the fees.
A 250% increase in the visa fee is definitely very high. However, at this point, we have to just look at it as an investment, because there is nothing we can do to change what the United States of America has already implemented.
From where it's coming from to where it is now, that's definitely an exorbitant increase, and it's going to pose a challenge to every artist seeking employment, seeking to tour or seeking to perform in the United States of America.
I think 250% in one go is really extreme. Take into consideration that artists at Jamaica depend on going overseas and performing to take care of them family and them community.
While the fees may seem extremely high, music consultant and the CEO of Teddy Lately Productions, Teddy Lately, says if a multi-tier petition approach is taken, then the cost may be significantly less.
More than one person can be placed on a petition. And so if we work collectively, then we share the cost.
He says this now calls for more collaboration among artists.
You have 4 artists in their own right, and they form a group named Lost. Lucky D, Triller U, Singing Melody, and Tony Curtis. Individually, they are their own artists in their own right. Now, once they collaborate as Lost, then you file under Lost. Now, individually, they can go into the United States and perform. So that is what we're saying. Work together, collaborate.
Mr. Lately also debunks the misconception that the increase will prevent artists from traveling in groups or with an entourage.
The increase is for the filing of the petition, and it's per application, not per person. And that's where the misunderstanding is coming. That doesn't stop the persons who have their group from traveling. I think it's a whole misconception.
Meanwhile, businessman turned record label owner Sean Siga Baptiste told the Gleaner that while the increase is unfortunate, entertainers should keep pushing forward. That's it for your weekend edition of E Prime. I'm Daedrin. Thank you for watching.